A promise in spandex. Can yoga at home really change you? Have you ever unrolled a yoga mat in your living room, full of hope, only to roll it back up a week later, feeling a little lost? So many of us start a new practice with the best intentions, but without a clear path, it is easy to stray. Yoga Burn promises to be that path. It is designed to meet you where you are and guide you, one breath at a time, toward a stronger, more centered version of yourself. It claims to be different, using a unique method to keep you engaged and progressing, preventing the dreaded yoga burnout. This program offers a structured journey, not just a collection of random videos. The value comes from its design, called dynamic sequencing. This means the practice evolves as you do, constantly challenging your body in new ways to avoid hitting a plateau. You are not just repeating the same routine over and over. Instead, you are building on your foundation, which keeps the mind interested and the body adapting. It is like having a private yoga teacher who knows exactly when you are ready for the next step, all from the comfort of your home. As for proof, well, the truest proof is always found on the mat. I committed to the program for a full 30 days, dedicating myself to its 3 distinct phases. I wanted to see if this digital guide could truly deliver the physical and mental benefits it promised. I logged my sessions, noted my wobbly moments, and celebrated the small victories. This essay is my personal story, my honest findings from showing up for myself, even on days when the couch called my name. I am here to share what I discovered, so you can decide if this journey is right for you. So, find a comfortable seat, take a deep breath in, and let it go. Let's talk about what happens when you commit to a practice. What is Yoga Burn? How does it work? Yoga Burn is a 12-week program designed specifically for women, created by Zoe Bray Cotton, a certified yoga instructor and personal trainer, delivered through follow-along videos. Access them anytime. Access them anywhere. This convenience is a huge part of its appeal. Core philosophy: dynamic sequencing. A method that progresses you through 3 phases. Foundational flow. This is where your journey begins. 4 weeks focused on building a strong foundation. You learn proper form for core yoga poses. You learn to link poses with your breath. Gentle, but not necessarily easy. Creating a mind-body connection. Preparing your muscles and joints. Zoe's instruction is very clear. She encourages you to listen to your body. Think of this phase as planting the seeds.